Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I want to share a solution that I found for a problem that I was having when doing handstand push-ups. You see, when I was doing handstand push-ups, my chest was facing the wall. So I was pushing up and my toes were getting caught on the wall. Even though I was wearing socks, they were still getting caught. So I wasn't having a really good motion when doing the handstand push-ups. So there was a lot of friction there. So I went to Instagram and I asked the people of Instagram, hey, any suggestions, any ideas on what I can do to make it easier for my toes to just glide up and down? So I had pretty good answers. Some people were saying use a piece of cardboard. Some people said backerboard, plywood. Others said lube. Some said rollerblades, which was pretty funny. But I finally found a solution and I wanted to share that with you just in case you're having the same problem. And it's basically self-adhesive clear laminate. These are things that you use to cover other things to give them protection. I remember in middle school, we used to use these. We used these for covering books and they looked pretty cool. You know, it was clear, they were protected, and the books lasted a longer time. So I want to try that against my wall here. Now what I've done earlier is I measured myself, my feet at their highest point, my toes, and then at their lowest point, and it's about 2 feet distance. Now this is a 12-inch by 10-foot piece of clear laminate, which runs for about $3, very inexpensive, and it actually fits pretty well right here. These are 10 inches apart, so these hooks are not going to get in the way, and then I just have to make this 2 feet in height. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that on the wall, and then we're going to try out the handstand push-ups. So I have my 24-inch piece of laminate, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the backing from this and then apply it to the wall. Now, prior to this, what I did is I measured more or less the top of my feet, so I made a line across here so that I knew exactly where to start it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and place it down. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the backing. And I'm going to start from the top, and this way I don't get this stuck all over the place. So I'm just removing the top part, and then I'm going to work my way down. So this is the top right here. Okay, I'm going to press that down, and then I'm going to work my way down, peeling the backing. And I'm going to try to get some of these bubbles out as I go. All right, I think that looks pretty good there. So there it is. Once it's on, that's what it looks like. It's a clear laminate. So it's going to blend into your wall. As you can see, I still have some air bubbles there to work out. From the side, you can barely see it on there, but pretty easy installation, and now it's ready to be tested. So now it's time to test that. We're going to do the handstand push-ups on there and see how we do. Much smoother ride. So I'd say for $3, it's definitely a good choice. And of course, you know, if anything comes up, if some bubbles don't come out, you also have those extra feet of laminate. So there you have it, guys. Now you know how to make your handstand push-ups a little bit more efficient as far as movement against the wall, so there's less friction on there. You can make the movements a lot smoother so you can bust out more reps. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and I'll leave a link to that laminate right below this video so you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.